Why can't I make a public profile on Snapchat? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be discussing some of the issues as to why you are not being able to make a public profile on Snapchat. So make sure to stick with me till the end. The issue here is quite simple. Let's say you open the Snapchat application here and then you just tap this profile icon, and then when you scroll down you should be able to find an option called public profile. It is appearing on your friend's profile, let's say, but it is not appearing in yours. So why is it that you're not being able to create a public profile? Well, it's very simple. First of all, tap the gear icon from the top right. For this we have to customize a few privacy settings, so just make sure to scroll down over here under privacy controls. So you have to set these settings to the maximum privacy possible. So who can contact me? Friends or friends and contacts. Select friends because that is the maximum privacy here. Then you can see who can use my Bitmoji avatar. Select from my friends and only me, which is more privacy, and select my friends over here, so select that. Once done, set this to view my story. You can also try setting this to everyone if friends only is not being able to work for you, or you can also go to see me in QuickCat. Make sure to enable that option. After you've done that, relaunch Snapchat and you should be able to see create public profile option, and from here on you should be good to go. So hope this video helped you as to why you cannot make a public profile on Snapchat. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.